G'day gang. So I'm in the middle of putting a clutch into this Mercedes Vito van. The guy's complaint was he kept on having to pull the clutch pedal up. But these have a dual mass flywheel, which means that there's not so many springs in the clutch plate itself, but all the torque is taken up in a little mechanism in the flywheel. But this one I think has gone beyond the point of normal wear and tear. Just, I think you can see that. Yeah, you can see it surely. Alright, I'm going to get that off and put it on the floor and have a bit better look at it, eh? Okay, so the clutch itself doesn't, I mean it's just about worn out, but it hasn't gone to rivets or anything. But as you can see there, there's a bit of discrepancy of where the bolt holes are. Look, I can turn this whole thing. Oh. It's just, look at it. It's going to be making a racket. Let's get it on the floor and have a look. I'll see if we can see from behind it. He's a heavy little bugger. He's buggered. And what happens? It's coupled with the flywheel there. In this little mechanism. And that's the damper for the engine harshness and transmission harshness. They've got a couple of little dowels there, and that's the only thing that's keeping this thing driving. Yeah. And she's got some gravity. That's the tone wheel goes through here for engine position. Okay. Time for a new clutch and flywheel. Have yourselves a good one. We'll check you later. Cheers.